3 laptop 1514BL, and it looks like it's all damaged, the cover. It seems like the charging port is not outlined correctly. Let's get started. Remove all the screws as usual, and as you can see, that's the problem right there. This is not even connected correctly. The damage is on the board. Looks like plastic ripped off. This has to be glued back on. I need to order some glue sticks. We got damage there, there. This is why the board is not connected correctly to the cover. You can see I'm installing brass bits on this plastic so that the screw can lock in. And then I'm gonna attempt to put glue around it to see if it holds the housing there. What I'm gonna be using is some Gorilla Glue, as I did to that one right there, so that little piece right there can get stuck when I screw one of those screws to lock the cover in. Hopefully this will prevent it from lifting, making everything closed in correctly. Okay, what I want to do is grab the little bit, carefully grab it nice and good, and put it right on the spot. Push it down with tweezers or wire cutters. Put pressure on it. Have the glue in the inside pop up. Make it nice and strong there. You can see it's nicely put now. Okay, that one. It's gonna hold this piece down, which locks it. Now this is a bit loose here. Should be alright. And the laptop is done. That's how you repair these laptops when it has a broken cover. Customize it with glue. Save your money. Nice and clean. Let's see. Everything's inputted. Everything's working.